Well, hello. My name is Helen Panza, and I'm your Workplace Technologies instructor for this term. I'll be with you for 8 weeks, and together we will delve into the world of IT, information technology. You're going to learn everything about IT, new vocabulary, new terminology, IT org structures, and what the IT organization can do for you. I have a few tips for you to be successful in this class. It will take some time on your part and a little bit of effort, but I'm sure if you put in the time, you will be extremely successful. Create a schedule for yourself. Plan to spend a couple days a week on Yellow Dig, our class social platform. It will develop some thinking strategies for you and allow you to explore new techniques on expressing yourself. Plan to spend 2 days a week on your Learn-Its. Don't ignore them. They will pile up and you'll have too much to do at the end of the class. A slow, steady pace will win the race. Spend some time on assignments. There are 4 of them. They're based on the book and they take some time to write out or type out and submit. But the information is right there for you. You'll need to meet with me 4 times during this class. We'll be meeting every other Wednesday at either 6 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Remember, daylight savings time comes to an end soon, I believe. I'm in Arizona and we don't have daylight savings time, so it's up to you to make sure you have the right time scheduled for our live meetings. I am very happy to be here with you. I will help you along the way, and I wish you much success. I'll be talking to you soon.